In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord voice not working. If your friends can't hear you, or you can't hear them. The most common cause is a simple misconfiguration inside Discord. We'll walk through checking your voice settings and, if needed, resetting them to get everything back to normal. Start by opening Discord and clicking the User Settings gear icon near your profile area. In the left sidebar, find App Settings and select Voice and Video. This is the control center for your microphone and speakers inside Discord. First, look at Input Device. This is your microphone. Open the drop-down and choose the exact mic you're using, especially if you have a USB mic or a headset with its own microphone. Selecting the specific device rather than a generic default helps avoid confusion. Set the input volume slider to a healthy level. Around the higher end is fine to start. Now, verify that Discord is actually receiving your voice. On desktop, use the mic test. Click the test button, speak normally, and listen for the playback. You should also see the input meter moving as you talk. If the meter doesn't move or you don't hear anything during the test, Discord isn't picking up your microphone, and choosing the correct input device usually fixes it. Next, check Output Device. This is where you hear other people. Pick your headphones or speakers by name. Set the output volume to a comfortable level, and, if you're using headphones, make sure you actually hear the test sound or notice audio when people talk in a call. If your selections look right, but audio is still acting up, maybe volumes seem off, audio is distorted, or devices keep switching, it can help to reset everything to defaults. Stay in Voice and Video, and scroll down to the Advanced section. Click Reset all voice and video settings and confirm. This clears out any unusual toggles or cached device choices that might be causing conflicts. After the reset, you'll need to reselect your microphone and speakers in the same voice and video area. Set the input and output volumes again, then run the mic test one more time to confirm your voice is coming through clearly. Speak at your normal volume and watch the meter. You want strong, consistent movement without clipping. Finally, jump into a call to make sure you can hear others and they can hear you. That's it. By confirming the correct devices, setting sensible volumes, and resetting if necessary, you can resolve most Discord voice issues quickly and confidently.